everybody, and welcome to a video. This is a different thing you're not probably used to, because it's this website called it's a website called Sketchup. Well, it's not a website. It's a wait. That shouldn't be so tricky. This is like a computer app, like software. That's a word. Where you can you can make like buildings. So yeah, real cool. Don't know how long this video is gonna be because I'm using full screen for once. So actually my audio levels don't look that good, but yeah. So what I've done is made a rectangle, well a rectangle but with the square thing. You just draw that. And then right now just see what the hell I'm thinking, just like, why the hell have I done a rectangle? So no, I just want that to go over there. No, I don't. Just got that there, and then I just want to over. So look, that's there. And what you like to do, well, probably is do that. Now I'm going to get my eraser. 1 minute. My eraser. Well, eraser. And you kind of want to just draw. Well, I'm going to click on it first. Click on that. You just want the top bit, and you kind of want to erase it. Erase that. So you've now got an empty basin. So I haven't used this in a while, but it's really cool, and you probably won't know this, but when I'm older I kind of want to be an architect. So yeah, so look, that's there. So now what you might want to do is you want to make up like a wall there, like just maybe wall there. This is more interior bit. No, you just want this bit. Just gonna raise it. So that's one of your walls. So, and also you want to think about what material it's going to be. Sorry, it's loading. Oh yeah, material. So like you could do brick and cladding. So this is what you want the maybe outside to be. And then I'm just going to budge a bit, and like this, like here. You may want to put something in there actually. So you're just gonna go like 1 to there, to that, and then you just want to get rid. No, I don't want anything here. No. So what you want to do is you want to get rid of these little lines. Look, line. Look. So you don't. No. Undo. Surely there's an undo button. Yes, there is an undo. So there's all that. And you probably want to. So look. And what you want to do is I'm going. So wait a minute. So just like. You want to have a. You want to have like a material for your place. It's up to you actually. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Sketchy. I don't want it sketchy. I just want wood would be quite nice. So just wood floor would be amazing. So, but so that's just something. This I'm gonna keep going back to this and doing stuff because this is a nice, cool type thing. So you want to go back onto the fill button. Where's the fill button? Feet bucket. And you just want to fill that there. Look, you might want to fill that whatever walls you want to go, and then you want to just scroll around. You won't want the black marks. I assure you that. So what you want to do, I think, is just do that. Sorry, I don't really know what I'm doing. Sorry about everything. No, that went really bad. Just gonna do that again. You wanna go like, you wanna do it on floor because that's always. No, I'm just going to click on that with my pen. What was that? No idea. No, I don't want to do that. Just want to click on it there, and with the erase button, erase. Or I have to go on it, click, and all that. Oh, damn it! Undo erase. Undo erase. Good. Damn! Okay, this rubber tool is quite annoying. Undo erase. So if I was you, I'll just click on it with that, and then get this to just erase. Just in case you don't want your whole floor destroyed. No, I want to click that, and then I want it to go. Then, well, I suppose you should think about the outside if you like architect. But this is a good this is a really good thing, and what I'm using is nice and free. Yep. Well, you can get like the proper business version, but that literally this is the exact same, except the full version has commercial use. So I'm just gonna keep the floor like that, and I want like a nice roof, as I'm not thinking about the interior right now. Well, you want to think. Well, I want like no, roofing. Well, what you want to do now, kind of, actually, if you want like a flat section, you just go like one, you just want like a square here, and look, done. So like a roof, and then you just want your second floor. Actually, you don't even need that, which is nice and simple. Erase, 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 erase. So actually what you can do is simply, no, don't do that. Whatever you do, don't do that. Now all I'm going to do here is yet another section there, and then I just want to try and add it on. Nope. Well, actually you can just go like that, and I want it to be a bit bigger, and then inside you can just like do stuff. So what you can do is I think there's this thing where you can cut it, but you can like do a nice archway. Well, no, don't do that. Just don't do that. Actually, I'm just gonna undo create arc, and sorry, this is gonna be really tricky because I haven't done this in a while. But there is this thing where you can literally just cut a bit of it, and then you can just delete it. So for roof, I suppose you just want to cut out. Yeah. So I'm going to get this tool, which I don't know what it is, and just like, no, I don't want to do that. Where is the cutout tool? There is definitely view. Oh, great. I swear there's some type. I've done this before. I promise you. Just draw on with pencil. With your pencil, the roof. And then just get your erase. Or you just want to click a section there. And push it back. Push it back. Push it back. Or you just delete it actually. What am I thinking? Erase. No. The rest of it has got to be erased as well. Erase. Erase. Now you want to get rid of these lines because they're hideous. So now you get the roof effect. This is a edit under erase. So you just want to, no, you don't want to erase all of it. I'm going to do with my that, you just want to click that, and I'm going to click that again because it looks bad. And also these. I don't care. It keeps giving me stuff I really don't care about. So now you just, if you want like a section in the middle, which I think will look quite nice, you just do that. Get your erase. No, why the heck is that happening? Do a line. Just don't know why. No, you don't want to do that. So I don't know what it is happening. But now if I wanted to do something, what would it do? Just shove that in. Okay, now I can just erase this bit, erase, and I also want to erase the roof. Plus I want to erase all these lines. Yet again, messed up. It's a good program, except it's tricky program. So this bit's quite cool. I need to I can get better at this. Look, just like that, nice roof section. Look like there, that's was drawn. I'll turn better. Get my eraser out and erase. No, I don't. Okay, you just want to erase a lot of the lines because the lines really don't mean and really not needed. I don't think so. Look, problem. So I'm just gonna sort. So you just, if I'm right, for one, just do that roof bit, and then you just want to do the same. Okay, sorry about this. It's obviously quite sensitive, isn't it? You would want it to be sensitive. If okay, I'm just gonna do that and then like that. So look, got myself a nice house bit. I'm just gonna fill it in with like for roofing, just like I like this roof bit, and then you could just want quickly to the bit that I missed because it messed up for me. No. All you want to do is a tiny little square here, and then you just want to no, I don't want to do that. Just want to go like that. No, I want to go back. Try and make it completely in line. Just want to fill it up, and you probably want to get rid of that line if you can. The erase not is quite annoying, so yet again just press the button to click it, then you get your erase. Yet again messed up. Damn it. You'll have tons of fun. Okay, right now the lines are important. You just want to do the same for all of it, and then, well, obviously I want to keep, so obviously you won't, wait a minute, no, fill, paint, bit, so that's your roofing. I'm just going to quickly do one last thing. If you have got this program and have built something, maybe, I don't know where you can post a picture. I don't know at all, but find a way.